Hi there! There's a lot of noise and misinformation in the CBD world right now, but today we're cutting through it to give you the science-backed facts you need to start your journey safely. Welcome to the Ultimate CBD Beginner's Guide. If you've been curious about CBD but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. In this masterclass, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know. In this comprehensive guide, we'll cover how to pick the right brand, the different forms CBD takes, exactly how to use various products for the best results, how to read lab reports like a pro, and how to use CBD for specific wellness goals. Our first topic is the most critical: picking the right brand. With thousands of options appearing on shelves, how do you distinguish a premium product from a low-quality one? It all starts with the source. Many people just grab the first bottle they see at a local shop or online based on the packaging alone, but that's a mistake. You want a brand that is radically transparent about their farming and extraction process. Where the hemp grows matters. Always look for brands using organic, US-grown hemp, specifically from states with strict agricultural standards like Colorado or Oregon. You also want clean extraction methods, like CO2 extraction, which avoids harsh chemical solvents. The Certificate of Analysis, or COA, is your proof of purity. It's a third-party document that verifies the cannabinoid content and ensures the product is free from pesticides, heavy metals, and mold. If a brand won't show you this, walk away immediately. After trying almost every major brand on the market over the last few years, I do have a personal favorite that stands above the rest for its incredible quality, consistency, and absolute transparency. I've linked it in the description below for you. It's the brand I personally use daily because their lab testing is the most rigorous I've seen. It's not a paid endorsement, just a natural choice based on my own positive experience and research. Now that you know how to pick a brand, let's talk about what's actually inside the bottle. You'll see three main terms: full spectrum, broad spectrum, and isolate. Understanding the difference is key to getting the results you want. Full spectrum contains all the naturally occurring compounds found in the hemp plant, including minor cannabinoids, terpenes, and a tiny legal amount of THC. This works together to create what scientists call the entourage effect. Broad spectrum keeps the other compounds but has the THC completely removed, making it a great middle ground. Isolate, on the other hand, is 99% pure CBD with nothing else. It's the most predictable, but you lose the entourage effect. Next, let's look at how you actually take it. There are dozens of product types, but most fall into three categories: ingestibles like oils and gummies, topicals like creams, and inhalables. Each has a different onset time. Tinctures are preferred for fast absorption, usually taking 15 to 30 minutes. Gummies are great for convenience and consistent dosing. Topicals don't enter the bloodstream, but are perfect for localized relief directly on the skin or joints. If you choose a tincture, the method is sublingual. You use the dropper to place the oil under your tongue, and this is the important part: you must hold it there for at least 60 seconds before swallowing. This allows it to absorb through the mucous membranes. By holding the oil under your tongue, the CBD bypasses the digestive system and the liver, meaning more of it actually reaches your system, and it starts working much faster than if you just swallowed it immediately. A common question from every beginner is, how much should I take? Because everyone's body chemistry is unique, there is no one-size-fits-all dose. My golden rule for everyone starting out is start low and go slow. Start with a small dose, perhaps 5 to 10 milligrams once or twice a day. Stay at that dose for at least 3 to 5 days to see how you feel. If needed, gradually increase the amount every few days until you find your personal sweet spot. To understand why CBD is so versatile, we have to look at your body's endocannabinoid system, or ECS. This is a complex cell signaling system discovered in the early 90s that acts as your body's master regulator. Your ECS has receptors all over your body, literally from your brain to your gut. CBD interacts with these receptors to help your body maintain homeostasis, which is just a fancy word for internal balance across your vital systems. Most beginners come to CBD for one of three reasons: better sleep, stress management, or physical recovery. For sleep, many people find taking a dose 30 minutes before bed helps them unwind. For stress, a consistent daily routine is usually more effective. When targeting specific goals, consider the product type. A gummy might be perfect for a stressful workday, while a full-spectrum oil might be better for deep rest at night. Pay attention to how your body responds to each. CBD is recognized as safe by the World Health Organization, but like any supplement, it can have mild side effects. It's also important to check for drug interactions if you're taking other medications. Transparency is key here, too. The most common side effects are dry mouth, slight drowsiness, or changes in appetite. These are usually very mild and temporary. As always, consult with your doctor before adding CBD to your wellness regimen. If you're worried about drug testing, listen closely. While CBD itself is not what drug tests look for, the trace amounts of THC in full-spectrum products can sometimes trigger a positive result. This is a major concern for many professionals. If you have a strict zero-tolerance drug testing policy at your workplace, I strongly recommend sticking to broad-spectrum or isolate products. These give you the benefits of CBD without the risk of THC showing up on a test. One final tip: consistency is absolutely key. CBD isn't always an instant fix like a headache pill. It works by supporting your system over time. Many people find that taking it at the same time every single day yields the best results. Think of it like a daily vitamin or a workout routine. By giving your body a steady, consistent supply of cannabinoids, you help keep your endocannabinoid system in that balanced state of homeostasis we talked about earlier. When reading a label, don't get distracted by flashy claims. Look for the total milligrams of CBD in the entire bottle versus the milligrams per serving. This is how you calculate the true value and make sure you're getting what you paid for. Watch out for hemp seed oil labels. That's a common trick. Hemp seed oil is great for cooking, but it contains 0 CBD. Make sure the label explicitly says CBD or hemp extract and lists the actual cannabinoid content. Finally, store your CBD in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight to preserve its potency. Heat and light can break down the cannabinoids over time. A kitchen cabinet or a bedside drawer is usually perfect. To wrap up, always verify your lab reports, start with a low dose, and be patient. Choose the spectrum that fits your testing needs, and keep your routine consistent. You're now ready to start your journey with confidence. Thank you so much for joining me for this beginner's guide. I hope this gives you the clarity you were looking for. Don't forget to check out my top personal brand recommendation linked in the description below. See you soon!